어릴 때 원했던 어른이 됐나. Thought I found, oh she's mine. 놓칠까 달렸던 나. Let's just take it slowly. 요즘 어떤 때 같은 곳을 바라보고 있잖아. Go anywhere you want to. Underneath the pressure oh, sometimes wish I knew it too. Fly away from tomorrow. 이제는 너무 멀리 와버렸던 거야. Yeah, I need you need me too.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I just got done doing a little swim workout and I'm starting to do a lot more cardio now as I'm sort of losing weight and trying to get a bit leaner. I'm alternating between the Stairmaster incline treadmill and also doing some swimming just to switch things up a bit, you know, just to make things a bit more interesting. But yeah, it is the weekend, it's Saturday morning at the moment and got quite a busy weekend coming up, seeing a few friends today. Also need to hit a chest and back workout as well. Also there's Champions League final today as well, tonight, which is going to be quite exciting. I definitely think Real Madrid is going to win, but we shall see. And then tomorrow I definitely need to reset and clean this whole apartment because I haven't actually cleaned since coming back from Hong Kong, which is kind of gross. I don't like to leave cleaning more than maybe 1.5 weeks, 2 weeks max, but I've just been super busy in the last couple of weeks with work and everything, so didn't really have too much time to, you know, tidy up and clean. But overall my mood is pretty good, you know, these days. Like I'm feeling very grateful for everything, especially with my YouTube content. You guys have been providing me with a lot of really positive feedback, especially on all of my Hong Kong vlogs, and I'm just so happy that you guys are loving the content that I'm making for you guys. So I'm just feeling really happy at the moment, but it kind of made me think I just don't want to be happy when things are going well, the views are up. I also want to be grateful for maybe like low points in my life as well, just because I feel like while good moments and successes, high points are really important, I think the low points are definitely more valuable. Even though they might feel rubbish in the moment, I think it does develop you as a character and it helps you kind of discover what kind of person you are, like whether or not you can push through with whatever you're doing when things aren't going as well. So I think definitely I need to be more grateful even when things aren't going as planned. I also think as well, in this day of social media and everyone is just posting, you know, their best life and everything, I think it's very easy to compare yourself to a lot of these people that you see maybe on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and to see how, oh wow, these guys are so successful. And maybe sometimes you might get a bit down because you might think, oh, I'm not doing as well as other people. And yeah, in some aspects, like it's normal to compare yourself because I think as humans, we are social creatures and we don't really like the feeling of being left behind. But equally, everyone is on their different path of their journey, right? Everyone's at a different stage. So, you know, while someone is, you know, you see someone who's really, really successful, they might be further along their journey than you are. But it doesn't mean that you're not doing well or you're never going to get there, right? It's just a matter of when, as long as you're doing the work and just getting better every single day. So yeah, that's something that I really want to work on as well. But yeah, just going to drink up this matcha. I've been starting to drink matcha quite a bit in the last week. I think I do rely on caffeine quite a lot to function. I didn't really think I did But it's only recently that I've started to drink more coffee, and I've sort of realized that, oh, I'm actually feeling more awake drinking coffee. And I've seen some like graphs where it shows the sustained energy levels of matcha versus coffee. And I believe matcha has a slower, it takes longer to take effect, but it's a sustained level of energy, whereas coffee is a quite an instant spike of energy and then it quickly fades away. So yeah, I'm really loving matcha at the moment. But yeah, if any of you guys have any matcha recommendations, feel free to comment down below, because I'm quite new to it and I think it tastes okay, but I'm sure this isn't the best tasting one because it was about 12-13 pounds on Amazon. Anyway, let's get into the weekend. First up, we're gonna see Mr. Kobe. Okay, off to see Mr. Colby and his parents for a little catch-up coffee session. This is the outfit of the day. Got the classic Air Forces on, the Uniqlo cargos, an oversized top from ASRV, and this jacket from Represent, which is absolutely criminal that we are wearing a jacket in June. But what can we do? We live in the UK.
Kobe!
Hello, Mr.
We have a fan that wants to see.
Yeah, on YouTube. We have a fan.
Kobe, what's this?
Kobe, do you want coffee? Just got back from seeing my really good friend Pri. We caught up for lunch, which was really nice. And yeah, I think it's very important to still make time for friends, especially when you're really busy. You don't really want to lose friends because you're not putting in the effort to see people as much. But anyway, having my pre-workout before the gym, we're going to hit a chest and back workout. And whilst this caffeine is being absorbed into my body, we're actually going to marinate some chicken because it actually goes off today, and yeah, don't want to waste protein. I think when it comes to dieting, I think a lot of people like to overcomplicate losing weight. I know a lot of people will just say, oh, they're going to cut out all of the carbohydrates from their diet, they're going to go keto, they're going to do this diet, that diet. In all honesty, I think most of the diets do work as long as you're in a caloric deficit. But I think you don't want to go too drastic from one day to the next. Like, you don't want to just cut out 1,000 calories, from yesterday to today. You want to gradually reduce your calorie intake slowly, because you do want to retain the muscle. You don't want to burn your muscles as well. So something that I like to do is just cut out all of the processed foods that I eat during the day. I like to eat a lot of chocolate. I like to eat Kit Kats, some cereal bars, crisps, just snacking on random stuff. And I think if you're mindful about what you're eating throughout the day and you just make a conscious effort to not eat basically foods that could be bad for you, then you're already in a very good position to be in a caloric deficit. If you don't want to cut out those things, you could just do some extra cardio, maybe 20 minutes a day on the Stairmaster. That will burn a couple hundred calories. That's just sort of something that I've learned throughout my life and throughout getting lean. Obviously, I'm not going to be stepping on a stage on a bodybuilding show. So for me, getting to sub 10% body fat isn't really something that I'm interested in doing. But if you just want to lose a little bit of weight, just cut out some of the foods and just eat in a slight deficit, and slowly you'll start to lean out.
I know you like the way I pop out. Let's go hit Lennox. Another week, another knockout. A different city. My partner whip a 7-4 now. He think he Wimby, but I'ma ride this Chevy Mally until it's empty. And Pastor don't take dirty money. I like it filthy. She my Achilles. I'm out for millies, not just for memories. Been on a mission. Did I mention it before? I can't be slipping till I'm reaping what I sow. Can you meet me where I'm at before I hit the top? How many years I put in this just trying to make it pop? I had a purpose for they had opinions, but what hurts is when they close and know the most will speak on you the worst. I reminisce like every day cause I miss what it was. Try not to get caught in my memory and stuck in the mud. I used to drown it out with liquor, I kept me a buzz. Binging and faded to that same song, missing love. New motivation, now my eyes, they been back on the prize. Can't go back where I was in my mind cause it don't bring no shine. I pop out time to time to show face and get my...
Good morning everybody, it's currently about 9:30 in the morning and I'm just getting ready to go to a run club. But while I'm here, I thought I'll just show you the physique updates. Currently weighed around 80.5 kgs this morning. I've got no food or water in me at the moment, but I'm definitely leaning out a lot more than a few weeks ago. The shoulders are starting to pop a little bit, the abs are starting to show. But I do have a lot more fat to lose, especially in my lower abdominals, and this is just genetics. My dad and also my sister hold a lot of fat in the lower abdominals. It could also be an Asian thing as well. There's nothing really that you can do about that apart from just continue to diet down and lose that. You can't really spot reduce fat as well, so don't bother trying to just keep doing ab exercises thinking that you're going to lose weight in your abs. That's not going to happen. Being in a caloric deficit, slowly burning the calories over a long period of time is going to do that for you. But yeah, this is it from the front. The side. Shoulders are looking decent. A lot decent than last year before I started bulking. And then the back. So yeah, hopefully in the next couple weeks, gonna look a lot leaner and we can compare. Alright, just finished up with the run club and it was such a beautiful morning today, so it was perfect for a bit of morning cardio. And it was also great to catch up with a lot of the people from the run club as well. I met a lot of them last year when I was really into running, but then I kind of took that on the back seat just to focus on building muscle a lot more. So it was great to see them again. I'm gonna head to the gym to do a bit of shoulders and biceps. On Sundays, I like to take it easy, but also just do some exercises for some lagging muscle groups or some muscle groups that I want to bring up, just to increase the overall volume for the week. and gonna have some lunch after that and start cleaning.
But baby, never did I think I could feel this way. Now I'm missing you every night and day. Can I see you again? Can I see you again?
Alright, cleaning is done and it's time to announce the winner of last week's ASRV giveaway. But before I get into that, I just want to say a really big thank you to everyone who has left a really nice comment down below. It really made me really happy to read all of your comments, and sometimes I can't even believe that you guys love my content that much. But there can only be one winner, unfortunately, and that goes to Navigating with Michael. So congratulations, I hope you enjoy the bag and also the $250 gift card, and I'll be reaching out to you very shortly. If you did want to get anything from ASRV as well, they are doing an end of season sale with up to 50% off, and they've brought back discount codes for creators like myself. So you can use the code christangfit for an extra 15% off on top of your order, and that would get you some really nice activewear and also help support me and the channel along the way. But yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's currently 6:30, so I'm gonna unwind and get ready for the week ahead. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe for the algorithm. It will give me the extra motivation and encouragement to continue making these vlogs for everyone. And I wish you a very good start to the week ahead, and I'll see you next week.